Nom nom. Nom 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 nom.
We're filming.
Nom, 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 nom.
Villager, we're filming.
Nom, 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 nom.
You're in a different mood today. Or are you just into all this food in Candyland? Ooh. Literally, we're exploring Candyland. Oh, look at all that water. That looks more like something else. That's chocolate cake. And if you want to find some real yummy cake, just press, button. Oh, you've already ate that kind of cake already. It looks like sand. Some of it does. What kind of cake do you want to eat? No, go into the heart one, the food and heart. Quick. Ah! You might want to make a house for them. Yeah, put them in the water. Oh, there's a little baby! You got a little baby for them. Keep making babies. Oh, hey, my finger's in the way. Oh. Wouldn't that look like a butler? That guy looked like a butler. You should have punctured him. He would get very angry, like Maliovi. I can't say it. Never mind. A bit too far in. Yeah, make an amazing house out of emeralds for them. That will be good. I guess it should be a big house. I'm just saying. Oh, you're showing everyone your trick, aren't you? The villager trick in that. And all those.
Oh yeah, I'm here.
There's also Ryan here. He's doing the voices. Nah, everyone knows. No one knew that until now. Aren't you going to do that amazing trick, the explosion thing? There's so many of them. Oh, here comes a bit when. You're not going to explode them, are you? Aren't you just evil? He's a bit evil sometimes, sorry guys. But you love your villagers, don't you?
Yeah, they all spurted out.
Except that
Villager,
guy.
shut up.
You don't like yourself, that's a bit weird. I'm confused why you don't. What? What is this you're making, villager? You're literally a bit terrible.
Who doesn't like TNT though? Tell me.
Me.
Well, you're not gonna like this.
Oh. Oh gosh, that even got the guy up there. Oh gosh, that was